Welcome to Little Champs.
Hello, little champs. Today, we are going to learn 100 action verbs with sentences for small kids. Are you ready to explore a world of exciting actions together? Let's go. Run. I am running. Walk. I am walking. Jump. I am jumping. Crawl. I am crawling. Read. I am reading a book. Write. I am writing. Study. I am studying. Sing. I am singing. Dance. I am dancing. Swim. I am swimming. Slide. I am sliding. Swing. I am swinging. Fishing. I am fishing. Think. I am thinking. Tickling. I am tickling. Laugh. I am laughing. Cry. I am crying. Smile. I am smiling. Work. I am working. Cook. I am cooking. Chop. I am chopping. Wait. I am waiting for the train. Smell. I am smelling. Eat. I am eating. Drink. I am drinking juice. Feed. I am feeding. Wash. I am washing my hands. Clean. I am cleaning the floor. Vacuum. I am vacuuming. Sweep. I am sweeping the floor. Mop. I am mopping the floor. Fold. I am folding my clothes. Yawn. I am yawning. Shiver. I am shivering. Shout. I am shouting. Listen. I am listening. Touch. I am touching. See. I am seeing. Speak. I am speaking. Kick. I am kicking. Fight. I am fighting. Push. I am pushing. Pull. I am pulling. Lift. I am lifting. Carry. I am carrying. Throw. I am throwing a ball. Catch. I am catching a ball. Bend. I am bending. Turn. I am turning left. Spin. I am spinning. Roll. I am rolling. Wave. I am waving. Point. I am pointing. Clap. I am clapping. Snap. I am snapping. Rub. I am rubbing my hands. Shake. I am shaking my head. Pinch. I am pinching. Squeeze. I am squeezing. Hold. I am holding hands. Wink. I am winking my eye. Kiss. I am kissing. Hug. I am hugging. Burp. I am burping. Fart. I am farting. Sew. I am sewing. Ride. I am riding bicycle. Drive. I am driving a car. Lie. I am lying. Sleep. I am sleeping. Fly. I am flying. Ride. I am riding. Breath. I am breathing. Shopping. I am shopping in the mall. Play. I am playing football. Draw. I am drawing a picture. Watch. I am watching cartoon. Skip. I am skipping. Go. I am going to school. Exercise. I am exercising. Blow. I am blowing. Brush. I am brushing my teeth. Make. I am making a paper plane. Build. I am building with blocks. Bath. I am bathing. Visit. I am visiting a doctor. Wash. I am washing my clothes. Bounce. I am bouncing a ball. Pray. I am praying. Sit. I am sitting on a chair. Pick up. I am picking up the toys. Farm. I am farming. Teach. I am teaching at a school. Cut. I am cutting paper. Help. I am helping. Slip. I am slipping. Taste. I am tasting. Sell. I am selling. Open. I am opening the door. Close. I am closing the door. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.